Alright, we're at Macy's Woodfield, and we've got the elevators here. These used to be Westinghouse, and they got modded a couple times since then. They got modded with Adams, and they were like that for a while. I filmed them in that... No, I never filmed them, but I rode them in that state. Then the Adams mod, they got slapped on with Innovation. Then a couple years later, Schindler came and fully replaced them, and here we are. So these have been through quite a few changes over the years. In a not really long lifespan. I mean, it's been like a good at least 50 years, but still, that's 3 mods is a lot for 50 years. Oh, that 2. This one's stuck on 3, or the indicator is stuck showing 3. 3 is locked. It's mechanical floor up there. Floor L. Anyway, we'll go back up. Floor 2. And capacity is 4,000. Sorry, you going down?
Yeah.
Sorry.
It's okay. Thank
Just
you.
getting a project.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Take care. Anyway, that will be all.